Hi everyone, let's go ahead and see how you can modify strings. Okay, we are going to take again our default string A, which we stored KGP Talkie YouTube channel and site kgptalkie.com. So to modify this string, there are many methods. First of all, you need to know that what type of modification you want in this string. Suppose that you want to make this string into uppercase, you can simply do something like this, a dot upper, and then this upper, all these lower cases will get converted into uppercase and everything is now into uppercase. Suppose that, and similarly you want to make this into a lowercase, then you can do like b dot lower. A is already in lowercase, so no point to put a dot lower. So in fact we want to put b into a lowercase. Now this got converted into a lowercase. Suppose that you want to also convert into a title case as well. So you can do something like this. A title case is something where first character will get converted into a capital letter and rest will be into a lowercase. Similarly you can do for string B as well. So you see there the string A, everything was in lowercase and first character of all these strings got converted into uppercase, and B was into uppercase. All these characters in the B string was in uppercase. So other than the first character, everything got converted into a lowercase. That's how you convert your string into uppercase, lowercase, and the title case. Now suppose that you want to remove the white spaces from your string. For example, string defined as a B equal to string and then there is this space. Alright, if you print this string, you see there is the additional space in this string. What you can do, you can simply do like b dot strip. If you do like that, so the strip will actually remove whatever the additional non-printing characters are there. All those get removed. For example, let's say if you have here a new line there, so even though this new line and these space, everything got removed from there, only you got your the actual string which will get printed at the final stage. Other than that, you can simply replace these spaces as well. Suppose that you have this A string and you want to replace all these white spaces to a double space. Then how would you do that? You can simply do here A dot replace a single space. So wherever it founds a single space, it will replace that with two spaces. Now you see there that single space got replaced here with two space there. Similarly, you can replace it with the tab, that's the tab separation, and if you print this, you will be seeing there all these strings will be replaced here with the tab there. Alright, let's suppose that if you want to insert some numbers inside the list, then how would you do that? Suppose that this one is your string and then you want to replace this particular and which is string with a symbol. Then how do you do that? This one you can do with like a dot replace and there you can type something like this. Now this gets replaced with the and, although we don't want that space, we want there a space here, so we need to put there a space. Alright, other than that, let's say if you want to have any numbers while concatenating two strings, then how would you do that? For example, let's say I say my age is 30 years and the text data, my age is like this. Alright, so I have my text data which says that my age is, and the age is my 30. So to do the concatenation with this number, I can simply do here a plus, but there is a problem. The problem is I'm trying to add here a string with the integer, so it will not work. You need to convert this integer into a string. So once this has become a string, now you can concatenate two strings together. So this text plus string of the age has become my age is 30. Similarly, there are other methods which you can use to format your string. For example, let's say if I say here text is equal to my age is, you need to put here two curly braces there, and then you need to do here a format, and then you can put there the age. So what happens whenever there is a curly braces inside a quote or a double quote, single quote or double quote, and then you put there a format, so the first number will get replaced in whatever you have placed there, the curly braces. And if you put there two, let's say if you put there two curly braces, then the second number will also get, then you need to provide here two parameters, something like this. Alright, so it is saying here my age is 30, then that means this age is being replaced here dot, and then this age is being replaced here, that is the 30. Other than that, you can also give any integer number here, 30.0. Even you can give here some string as well, that's again 30.0. You can give here a float number as well. So now you see this point, and then dot, this dot, and then dot 0.0 will get replaced here. So it becomes 30.0.0. Alright, perfect. That's how you do the string formatting into the Python. So this is all about in this lecture. Thanks for watching this. I'll see you next one.